land where every heartbeat drums with memory and every breath tells a living story. Drums will tender, dancers will move like poetry in motion as the mighty from rhythms awaken the spirits of old. Mark your calendar, oh yes! From 17th to 22nd of June 2025, Akyem Tafo will erupt in a grand spectacle like no other. It's Ohum, a festival blazing with fire and spirit, where majestic palanquins draped in velvet and shimmering royal emblems glide above the crowds like thrones in motion, and rivers of kente ripple through the streets like liquid jewels. The air will shimmer with chants, libation flowing like sacred rivers as people gather to honor life, legacy, and renewal. Historically, this year's Ohum Festival coincides with the 40th anniversary of Dasibre Eduse Piasa IV as the chief of Akyem Tafo. And at the heart of it all, EBY TV will be there live, capturing the energy, the emotion, and every breathtaking moment as it unfolds before our eyes. I'm AJ Clex, and together we will dive deep into this swirling vortex of tradition, power, and pride. Follow us on Facebook at EBY TV and subscribe to our YouTube channel, EBY TV Ghana, for exclusives, unforgettable access to every pulse of this year's Ohum Festival. It's going to be a firestorm of culture and history, and only EBY TV will bring the blaze home to you.